Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on PC. The only way to achieve this is by using an Android emulator, which simulates a mobile environment on your computer. This method allows you to download and run the game just as you would on a smartphone. Ensure your PC meets the necessary system requirements for smooth performance. Choosing the right emulator is crucial for a good experience. Popular options include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, each offering unique features. Researching these will help you find one that best suits your computer's specifications and your personal preferences. Look for features like customizable key mapping for easier gameplay. Once you've selected an emulator, download and install it on your PC. After installation, open the emulator and log in with your Google account to access the Play Store. From there, simply search for Pokémon Go and install it just like you would on a phone. This step integrates the game into your emulated environment. With the game installed, configure your key mapping for smooth movement and interaction. Remember, using third-party software like emulators can sometimes violate Niantic's terms of service, so proceed with caution. While location spoofing with a VPN is possible, it carries a risk of account bans. Play responsibly to enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.